Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Alright, today on the show where I react to police chases, this is a Ford GT pulls over for Arkansas State Police and then takes off. As you can see, the cop is behind a Mustang with the sequential turn signals on. He's moving over to the left lane. The cop follows. They're going 85 miles per hour. I don't know the speed limit posted on this road. The other video I seen that Arkansas State speed limits go up to 75 on these 2-lane highways. So I'm assuming they're going a little bit over the speed limits. But the Mustang is going with the flow of traffic. So, I mean, unless the cop wants to be a shark and, you know, use anything as a traffic violation, go ahead. But yeah, he's following this Mustang. He lights the Mustang up. He switched lanes with him. Mustang hits the brakes. He's really trying to comply, you know. But as we know, he's not gonna comply because this is a show where I watch police chases. Hit the like button for me, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Why is the Mustang going in the grass? That's the mission. That's the mission. Okay, it's a GT. It's a pretty new one too. He's got his hazards on. Oh, he know. Look, if I put my hazards on, I'm about to pull over a cop. Pull over a cop. I mean, pull over for a cop.
You cut the yellow line twice and you was following a couple vehicles.
What is this cop saying?
That's why I was pulling you over. Where you headed?
He's
back home. I got you. Have license on you?
The cop's asking him questions like, where you headed, blah, blah, blah. None of your business, man. Why you following?
You have ID?
That's what JTSpeeds say to these cops, man. They ask you where you headed. Why you following? So does he give him any type of identification? So I think these people really try to reason with these police and they just pull too many people over, so people are sick of it. So maybe, you know what? Maybe putting on your hazards, they can't see that your brake light when you hit it. You know what I mean? Because the lights are already flashing and you just hit a brake, hit the gas, and you're gone. You feel me? Okay, so there's two cops inside of this car. Did he get any ID? Pulls over, then takes off. Wow. Mind you, this is slowing down the whole freeway. People in the right lane can't be in the right lane because there's a cop in the right lane pulling somebody over. This is a whole thing on the freeway. Was this really worth it, cop? What was this Mustang doing other than going with the flow of traffic? So if the Mustang has handed identification to the officer, I want to see how this is going to play out. Because at this point, he has your ID. They know who you are. Why run?
That'd be him.
That's him? Yep.
I think they trying to...
How many people in there?
Just him.
Oh, I think that guy has a warrant. They're saying that's him. If you him, you got a warrant. Him got a warrant. That's him.
It says dangerous drug. It's U.S. Marshals out of Arlington.
Oh wow, the U.S. Marshals are looking for this guy in his Mustang. So of course he's gonna pull off. Will the cops have jurisdiction to, you know what I mean, stop this guy and take him into custody until the U.S. Marshal gets there? Oh no.
Mr. How do you say your last name? Almond? Okay, Mr. Sir, you gotta step out, okay?
Yep. The driver has a warrant. So this Mustang is about to spin those back wheels, kick a couple rocks up on that cheap Charger, and he's
Really, nigga?
I want to see how this is gonna play out. ASP can't even catch a 4-cylinder Mustang, let alone this one with double the cylinders by Ford. I don't see it. They were ready for him to pull off. He ain't catching that damn Mustang. Get these cops a mental evaluation.
Huh?
That Mustang ain't getting caught. And let him black out. It's dark. It's the best thing to do. You can't black out. Once you black out. So these cops just basically got a free joyride. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Where's that Mustang? Do y'all see one? Oh, wait. Let me take a nap. Where's the Mustang? Boy, if you don't... Dude, hey, ASP, do your jobs, okay? Do your jobs. Where's the Mustang? And these Arkansas highways, man, are they infested with these trucks or what? Damn, so many trucks. Where do you see a Mustang? The cops better just get a Mustang, cause like there's nothing to keep up with those Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes. There's none of that, man. You're cooked. Yep, and as I said, these cops, they got a free joyride. These cops got a free joyride, okay? They're just going 100, just like, bro. I said my piece, y'all. I did. Y'all know JTSpeeds say his piece, man. Let me tell you guys a little bit about myself, since these cops are chasing nothing. I'm JTSpeeds. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Michigan. I like cars. What's another fun fact about me? A fun fact about me. I was a circuit marshal at the Detroit Grand Prix. Yes. I'm into Indy cars. I'm gonna post it on my shorts of me being circuit marshal. But yeah, I was the 2024 circuit marshal for the Detroit Grand Prix. One of the circuit marshals. Yes, I volunteered. I do a lot of volunteering across Michigan, homeless shelters. That was really like my thing to end off the year like good. I did homeless shelters all year. Then when the Grand Prix came around, I was like, alright, some fun volunteering. This cop is chasing nothing. Let's tell you guys some more about myself. I have an Audi. I'm building an Audi. I'm gonna have some more in real life videos coming to the Audi pretty soon here. It just takes a matter of time it takes for this weather to break. March is coming up, then April, then May. May, I'll be right back at it, guys. I'll be right back at it. We're gonna get some content on Woodward. I might as well start that now. Be the only one, you know what I mean, out on Woodward when it's cold. Everybody wants to come out to Woodward and record when it's warm, you know what I mean? Who doesn't when it's cold? It's JTSpeeds, man. Got to get the Jeep up and running. That's what the in-real video that you guys will see soon is about. I'm gonna stop yapping now, because these cops are chasing nothing. They're caught in traffic. Where's the Mustang? That Mustang better had. Ooh, my boy, you better had a full tank. And you better be ready to get out the state, my boy. Did they give him his identification back? Wow. And these, oh, yep, the cops had the lights. Take that L, bro. ASP know how to take that L, bro. They just turn off the lights, you feel me? They don't even be like, oh, shucks, man. They just take the L. I like that. Because you know, a lot of these state police departments or whatever, they're not gonna let these L's get out. You get what I'm saying? They don't want people to even know about people running from the police. You know what I mean? They want that to be unheard of, so unusual, you know? How did that truck see that cop? Another fun fact, I'm in my mom's basement. Yes, you heard me right. I am in my mom's basement. Yeah, this is where I do reactions now, guys. In mom's basement. You heard that bone snap. Wow, they're chasing nothing. So you ain't gonna see no Mustang. We couldn't even get a speed that the Mustang was going. It was just there and gone. Here, there, and gone. You know? ASP, y'all need to up y'all horsepower, man. Y'all need to get some more horsepower, man. Dodge tell y'all that them Hemis got 370 pound-feet of torque or whatever. It's false, bro. That thing is old, bro. You ain't catching no Mustangs in that Hemi, man. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to tell you. Anyways, y'all seen what just happened here. This was a Mustang GT. This was a newer model. And, you know, he got the results that he wanted. He had to get away because he already had a warrant. I'm not saying run from the police when you have a warrant, but he already had a warrant. You feel me? He had the tool to get away. He got out of there. Maybe he needs to make sure his family eat. You feel me? Get the GT. If you want to make sure your stuff is straight and you don't want the police to take you into custody too soon, you feel me? And you in your Mustang, you could probably get a day. You feel me? Because it's not a matter of when they're going to get you. I mean, if they're going to get you. It's when. Okay? These guys, they are going to get you. It's not a matter of if. It's when. Okay? So, you guys, hit the sub button for me. Turn on post notifications. Hit the like button. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
She really fuck with my vibe. She said, look at my eyes. I got my eyes on the price. Baby girl, please stay the night.